Here we go. We got our Stein and 3 beers. They're not different beers, different beer bottles, but the same beer. I finally get to do this the first time I've ever done it. It's the Honey Hefeweizen, the craft brew that I brewed from Mojave River Craft Brewery. All these bottles are Honey Hefeweizens, but they're in different bottles. This one's a pale ALC Bass Ale from England. This one's a Samuel Adams Boston Lager, obviously from Boston, Massachusetts. And then last but not least, the Grolsch bottle from the Netherlands, Holland, in a 450 milliliter. We got our Stein. Cool. Anyway, let's open these guys up. Which one first? Let's do the small ones. Let's just dump it. Obviously 12 ounces there. We're gonna just pour it all. And last but not least, are we gonna have room for this one? Let's give her a try, nice and slowly. Gotta pour a German wheat beer in a German glass, right? And why not a Stein from Steiner? Let's see if we can pour the rest of this. We still have about half this left here. So I think I'm gonna have to take a sip before I can pour any more. Tell me that ain't cool. This is the first time I've ever done that, that's for sure. Let's try this puppy out. I gotta hold it with 2 hands, it's so heavy. Prost. Ooh, there we go, plenty of room now. So tasty. Let's give her another little sip. Love this glass. I can barely even hold it with my fist. Bear palming it. Beautiful glass. And pretty much finally almost done.